Hi, I'm Sarah with Reed Muskegon, and this is my daughter Ellie. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And today we're doing week 1 of our ABCs of cooking class. We're making fruit snowmen for everyone. So first we need to cut our bananas. So, do you know how to open a banana? Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you open it? Okay. Do you want to pull that down?
Yeah.
Peel the banana. Okay. Pull that down. Good job, big girl. So we are going to cut this into groups of 4. So
I know how.
you know how to do. Okay. That's a very okay. Can Mama help you make them a little smaller? I'm going to help you. Okay, Ellie. Mommy needs to help you. Okay. Let me put it where it needs to go. Okay, now cut. There you go. Oh, all the way through. 2. Can you count with me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Now start back at 1.
5.
Okay, sure. All right, Ellie. So, banana starts with a B. Can you help me do the Bubba Bear sound? Ready? Buh, buh, buh. Good job, big girl. All right, Ellie. So now we have to put them on top of each other like snowmen. So, you're going to do 1, 2. He's a fat snowman, isn't he? 3, 4. Can you do that one more time over here?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3.
Can you grab that one? No. Grab the other small one.
4.
Close. Let's put it right here.
5.
Okay, now we're going to cut the strawberry. So I'm going to cut off the green part. Then can you grab onto it? I'm going to cut it in half. Just like that. Push down. Good job. All right, now the strawberry makes the hats. So we're going to put them on top. And Ellie, honey horse, makes the sound. And hat also makes the sound. Can you make the honey horse sound with me? Can you stand up to do it? Ready? Okay, Ellie, so now we are going to put on, first we got to put on the marshmallow on top of the strawberry to make the puff ball. Can you put it right up there? Can you stand up, please? Thanks, that makes it so much easier, doesn't it? Hey, can you grab one more marshmallow? Right there. All right, and last but not least, we need to add the chocolate chips to make the buttons. So
I want to eat some.
you can eat some and then put some on. Can you do 1, 2, 3? Like this. On this one?
C, D.
You see the alphabet right now? All right, Ellie, and these are fruit snowman, and fruit starts with the F sound. Can you help me do Francie Fish? Do you remember? Or, yeah, do you like that one? Can you say the sound, please? Good job. All right, so we have made our fruit snowman. Feel free to change it up. You can use raisins instead of chocolate chips. You can use blueberries instead of the marshmallows. You can really kind of do whatever you want. Just make them look kind of like snowmen. If you really want to get excited, you can do the icing to make the face. We just don't really want to do that or have time. Please follow our Facebook page for more videos of cooking classes with Ellie and I. And if you are interested in joining our ABCs of cooking class, please feel free to reach out to us. We do have some stipulations, but we'd love to go over them with you. All right, Ellie, can you say bye?
Bye.
Have a good day.